Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and this here is my dog Sailor. She's half husky, half golden, and this episode we're actually going to be making food for her. So we've got some salmon, and then we also have some freeze-dried superfood premix that we're going to go ahead and just add in some hot water and place it on the salmon. We're only just going to do a light cook on the salmon, basically just to heat it up for her. So here's Sailor, excited and hungry, and this is just to give you a little bit of a better look of what this basically is. And it's only ready in 8 minutes by adding hot water. It's grain free, it's made in America. Sailor is trying to let you know that she likes it. And yeah, it's pretty healthy. It's got broccoli and green beans and bone broth and celery, kelp, and lots of other little vegetables that's great for dogs. So here's a quick update on the salmon. It's just basically heating up. We're going to go ahead and flip it over. We're not actually cooking it, we're just kind of warming it up. The water is about heated up, so we're going to go ahead and dump that into the dog food mix here in a moment. So now we've added in the hot water, we're just going to go ahead and let it sit, seal it up, and let it sit for about 8 minutes. And here's our salmon, already heated up. All we got to do now is just pour on the superfood premix right onto the salmon. So it's been about 8 minutes. Sailor's absolutely ecstatic for her dinner. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and just take a look to see how it looks on the inside. And as you can tell, it's kind of hard to see in the video with the lighting, but is actually hydrated perfectly. So we're going to go ahead and dump it out onto the salmon. Now we're going to go ahead and mix it up and just kind of chop up the salmon. Sailor is barking like crazy because she knows it's dinner time. Now we have Sailor's food all prepped and ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and bring it on over to her. Here you go, Sailor. Here's your dinner. Yeah, what do you think? We're going to go ahead and set it over here on the concrete for you so that way it's not in the ants. Come on. And there's her dinner. Sailor, put your yummy nose. Good girl. She really loves salmon. I'd say it's probably one of her favorite fishes. So there you have it. Sailor's eating her dinner now, and she's kind of a slow eater. She's not a fast eater because she spends most of her life always having access to food. So she eats her food a bit slow, kind of on her own level. If you're wondering what the noises are in the background, we're actually right on the St. Johns River, so it's a bunch of airboats blowing by, and Sailor's been pretty distracted by them. She likes looking at them, they're kind of different. So thank you everybody for watching, and if you want to see more of Sailor, just stay tuned for more videos, and she pops up here and there.